Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) offers the FA-50 Fighting Eagle light attack fighter jet to Bulgaria. This step was taken following its success in selling 4 dozen FA-50 to Poland some time ago. Apart from Bulgaria, KAI is also targeting other Central and Eastern European countries to acquire this aircraft to replace their aging fleet of fighter aircraft. KAI offers the advanced performance of the FA-50 and is also cheaper than other fourth-generation fighters. This T-50 Golden Eagle derivative aircraft is offered as an ideal solution for the Bulgarian Air Force to replace the L-39, MiG-29 and Su-25 aircraft. Previously in September 2022, KAI had received a contract from Poland to supply 48 FA-50 aircraft. The FA-50 has high interoperability with the US-made F-16 Viper fighter jet, which is planned to be operated by the Bulgarian Air Force. The FA-50 compatibility with NATO standards, including real-time data exchange via the Link 16 system and integration with Western-made weapons, is one of its advantages. This compatibility is very important for Bulgaria's participation in regional defense activities and joint exercises and operations with other NATO member countries. KAI is also offering collaboration opportunities with the Bulgarian aerospace sector, including technology transfer and local manufacturing options if Sofia buys the FA-50.